I'm here at this reshoot. When I shot this the first time, it was all occupied and now it's vacant completely. I'm gonna go through, prep up the listing, and then I'm gonna show you how I upload this to AutoHDR. I'm gonna go through before I start shooting, making sure that everything looks presentable. Now, you don't want like this screen door to be open or partially open because this looks fragmented. We've already gotten the exteriors on this before, so we don't have to worry about exterior, so I locked that. Now I just need to turn on lights, make sure blinds and everything look good. I think that's not working. Okay, that must be for like a lamp or something. Okay. Ooh, okay, so that doesn't turn. So that's gonna have to look like a stick. Okay. Come over here. Now, a reshoot consists of 10 photos. From my experience with AutoHDR, it does really good with blinds. And they said they want everything. So they had, I remember, a shelf here, bathroom here. Can't remember, I think they had like some kid stuff in here. And this I remember being a kid's bedroom. Okay, so that's pulled all the way up. I'm gonna pull it even more. And actually, you know what? Yeah, you see, like these are like barely hanging on. I'm not gonna touch that anymore. Let me see if the other one's like that too, because if it's more secure, then I might be able to pull it up. But if it's not, yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. Okay. And then we have the master over here. That's really good. And then this is the master bathroom. I remember getting a floor plan for this one. Yeah, this one was a video package with a floor plan. Okay, so we're good. We have the sconces on. Okay, so they need 10 photos. I might shoot a little bit more than 10. This customer is pretty loyal and I want to get this thing sold. I'm gonna put this with JPEGs so that way I can upload it over mobile. So file format, RAW plus JPEG. Okay, one, I don't have my clicker with me. Two. Three. Not sure if I'll deliver this one. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. We're gonna hit 10 very quickly. Okay. I'm gonna do something like this. I don't like this shot. Man, that looks really distorted. Where am I? 9? 10. This is 11, right? Let's lower this down. Yeah, it's a really small kitchen. Jeez. That is really tight. Okay. What is this, 12? This is why I need my clicker. Okay, here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12. Okay. $13. $14. Do that again. Might do a squared up shot, not sure. It'll show the utility room. And this one is 15. And then 16. Yeah, I'm gonna have to parse it down to maybe 15 at most, but probably like 10 to 12 of the best images. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $17. $13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. $19. $20. $21. $22. Let's see here. Get this. Canvas is 23. Now on this, I have a sliver of this wall here, and I'm using the alignments of the designs here for it, so it looks really nice. And then for the horizontal, I'm using the design and the ceiling where the wall meets. Okay, so this is 23. Okay, maybe 24, so we have an option here. Maybe I'll raise it up just a little bit to show the top there. So 24. Okay, now that we're done, let's go and upload. I'm still gonna use the raw photos, but for the demonstration of this video, I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with the JPEGs. So browse files, Choose files, take photo, library. Can I not upload? Okay, so these are the files. So let's do this. We're gonna work from the bottom up. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I not have the closet in here? Yeah, I do. Okay, so we got 4. Let's go with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Man, this is gonna be tricky. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna do 16. Okay, so we have open. Hopefully this will work. On my mobile, I'm working on Verizon. Agent 16, interiors, reshoot. Okay, I'm gonna do this on the Lisa, because that's my favorite, and we will just continue. So these are 80 photos, so that's 16 photos, and we'll kind of come over here, see how long it takes to upload. And actually, while I'm here, last time I shot this place, it was dead out, so I'm gonna get some updated exteriors for the agent. Now the pool doesn't look like it's open. I'm gonna shoot this on a 24 metered manual at 0, and then my steady shot on, bracket timer turned off, and I need to put it back on a 3-shot bracket. That was the last thing I forgot to do. Okay. So 24 is really nice, especially if you have enough distance. 16 is great for interiors. But 24, I like it because it minimizes distortion for photos and just gets it nice and crisp and fills the frame for whatever you're shooting, or for most things that you're shooting. So the slides are open up that way. So I'm gonna go on the other side there and shoot this way, and also the benches are facing that way. So I don't want to shoot behind the bench. I want to shoot as though the bench is the subject posing for the camera. Okay, so like this right here, and then get that whole sidewalk there. Okay, we got that. We have a clubhouse here. This is why we can't shoot exteriors before agents or homeowners arrive, because we want to make everything look presentable from the inside looking out. And right now we have partially open blinds, completely shut blinds, and that just doesn't fly with me. All right, so for a reshoot, for 10 photos, I'm given about an hour. Here in this specific location, because of the size of the condo, I was given 40 minutes, and that's more than plenty, but I'm getting these exteriors because I'm showing you AutoHDR's capabilities. I need to let that load, and then from there, if it hasn't already finished its upload yet. If it's already uploaded, then you'll see it here, and how long it took from the start of the shoot to it finishing upload, if it's already done. I didn't get a notification yet, but it is 12:12, so it took just a few minutes for it, AutoHDR to edit these photos, and so here they are. It has to put its brand on it. So this is from my mobile, and you can see that the photos are very well edited. So these are all of our angles that we took. Very pleased, very impressed with these photos. I can even download these and deliver them from my phone, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna deliver them tomorrow. And you can see that the windows are pulled perfectly with the blinds, as I mentioned before. The only issue I see is that the blue needs to be green, but I may not deliver this angle because I shot 16, but we're delivering around 10. But for the most part, like, all the edits are spot on. I'm very pleased with this. I think I'm gonna keep everything as is and not push anything back.